doing today, we are putting in the fridge slide
and mounting the battery box to the top
oh, someone give me
with some help from
our maintenance man. So we got Troy on the mic and he's going to help us explain what it is that he was doing for us. So this is the maintenance man number 1. Say hello, Troy.
G'day.
All right. What are we doing today?
Need to fix the battery box down through to the cab. Make sure it's all secure so it doesn't fly around and go out the window.
Oh, that's cool. And how many holes did you need to drill?
4.
Was it hard?
Wasn't easy, but with the right tools you can get any job done.
Okay. Okay, so now it looks like you're under the car. Why are you getting under the car?
We're just securing the battery box down so it can't go anywhere. This is the hardest part.
Why didn't you make Gibbo get under there? He's not the man for the job.
Yeah, he's not really the man for the job. He passes the tools.
The tool man. Alright, so now you're back up and it looks like you put the battery box in the car.
Yep.
So what's happening now?
We're just fixing it all in. So strap it all down so it can't fly away. Plug her all in and away we go.
Nice. Who taught you this stuff?
Myself.
Self-taught.
Yeah.
That's handy. And it's done. I'm sure Gibbo was a great help at passing the equipment. Okay, next task is... What's this?
The fridge slide. You have to install that.
That's like putting drawers in a thing, isn't it?
Drawers in a cabinet. So just got to position it correctly so it doesn't hit the tailgate, doesn't hit the glass. You don't have a lot of room underneath, so to run bolts down through there and fix it off was a little bit hard, so we just used tech screws. Just getting it squared up, making sure everything works fine. There is quite a fair bit of weight in that fridge, so need to secure it.
Looks like it's working pretty good.
Yep.
Nice. Well, thanks for the video and thanks for your help. We'll see you on the next one.